नमस्कार, जय जगन्नाथ भाई और भौणी मैंने आज 25 डिसेम्बर तो फास्ट ऑफ समस्त को मेरी क्रिसमस आउ एडवांस हैप्पी न्यू ईयर। आज आमर यूनिट राइड अच्छी 120 प्लस सुपर बाइक्स सब आज आसूँ। यूनिट राइड फास्ट ऑफ मुझे कहीदे यहाँ आनुआल राइड हुए गोटे आशार तो सबू सुपर बाइकर्स तो आसती यहाँ आम यूनिट राइड गोटे हुए माने जितकी भी सुपर बाइक क्लब अच्छी सब मिसिक गोटे जगह को जाओ। आज से राइड अच्छी मोटू बाहर घर पाखु जाऊँ आमर डेस्टिनेशन अच्छी पुरी एम्पायर होटेल आउ एबे कोणार्क ट्रू वैल्यू जोटा कि पुरी बाईपास रोड अच्छी तो से बाहर देखा सांग मैंने मुझे आसिक पहुँचे जो राइड स्टार्ट हो कोणार्क ट्रू वैल्यू जोटा कि पुरी बाईपास रोड अच्छे यूटू राइड स्टार्ट हो।
Pushing me closer to the edge, hand like John, now let loose. Don't mind if I do. For all the things that I've said, pushing me closer to the edge, hand like John, now let loose. Don't mind if I do.
Happens in Bhubaneswar, this happens in Odisha. I don't see it happening anywhere else, where all the entire community of riders come together and ride one particular day in a year. He is a celebrity superstar. He is our rider.
Wherever we go, as my biking club, so the first question they ask is, "Munna bhai aisi ki?"
Good morning to everyone and wishing you a happy Merry Christmas. Let's cherish this moment and ride safe, that much I'll say, and let the brotherhood should come out in shape of to save, ride and save others too. Thank you so much.
Don't mind if I do. Let's go again, but how do you do? Better get it like my own medicine for you. Never gonna make them think I'll stand by for all the things that I've said. Pushing me closer to the edge. Hand like John, now let loose. Don't mind if I do. For all the things that I've said. Pushing me closer to the edge. Hand like John, now let loose. Don't mind if I do. Free as the wind, and as strong as a piece of amber. Give me a breath, like the fire, so remember. I'll be inflated, totally and I'll sing you. Got another one to stop again, but how do you do? For all the things that I've said, pushing me closer to the edge. Hand like John, now let loose. Don't mind if I do. For all the things that I've said, pushing me closer to the edge. Hand like John, now let loose. Don't mind if I do. My head in my hands, listen up, says my teacher. In front of the class, he says if you're not a believer, I've views, that's on you. Better shape up and pay your dues. Of my views, that's on you.
Hey guys, welcome. Presenting you the Unity Ride.
Friends, howdy you doing? Not down. Okay guys, welcome on behalf of the
ସାଙ୍ଗମାନେ ଆଜିର ବ୍ରେକଫାଷ୍ଟ ଏଇଟା ଅବିନାଶ ଭାଇ ଆଉ ମୁଁ ବ୍ରେକଫାଷ୍ଟ ଏନ୍ଜୟ କରୁଛୁ ଏଠି ସମସ୍ତେ ବ୍ରେକଫାଷ୍ଟ ଏବେ ବ୍रेकफास्ट टाइम चलती है लास्ट में कुछ मीठा हो जाए
Road accident casualty is recognized national average is almost 33.33%, whereas our state is having a stake of almost like 50%. So if you are getting like 100 registered cases, out of which 50% they die out of this road accident. So I think I'd like to request all of you, you all are the riders, the flag bearers, so we should respect the road traffic rules and regulations. Your safety is the utmost priority for everyone, but we should have respect for others too.
एठी राइड करार जो मजाटा आउ कोठी नै सो थैंक यू सो मच अगेन माने गोटे पार्ट भी कलो गोटे स्पेस देलो किछ कथा पे बहुत भल लागला धन्यवाद
Say it once, say it twice. Okay, it's a red color.
Nice. Very nice.
My head in my hands, listen up, says my teacher. In front of the class, he says if you're not a believer, 5 reviews, that's on